How to check last active time on Facebook. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'm gonna teach you how you can check last active time on Facebook. Now before we begin, if you guys are new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Also press the bell icon so you get notified when we release our new videos. Now, without any further ado, let's dive right into it. So the first thing that you'll need to do is open up your Facebook. Make sure you're logged in into your account. Then tap on the top right corner that looks like a messenger icon. You can directly head over to Messenger as well. So after you're here, you will need to toggle on some few settings. To do that, you will need to head over to your menu option. That's on the bottom right. Head over menu. Then simply go to settings. Tap on settings. So right here you will see active status option. So tap on active status and turn this on. Toggle the button on and now your friends and connection will be able to see if you were active or recently active on this profile. You can do the same for them as well if they have toggled on their settings. If you don't find active status option right here, what you can do is you can head over to privacy and safety. And inside there, you can scroll down and there you can see active status. Head over there and turn it on from there. So now you can head back. Now, if your friends have turned on the active status option, you will find green dots right below their profile picture. You'll also find an option that looks like time that says 23 minutes or 23M, 15M. And that will basically mean that they were online 23 minutes ago or 25 minutes ago or 15 minutes ago. And yeah, that's how you check last active time on Facebook. And that's basically it for today's video. Thanks for watching. If you guys are new to our channel again, don't forget to subscribe. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like down below. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more upcoming videos and bye-bye. Take care.